Hey folks, did you ever wonder what was inside one of these things? I found this in my glove box, and obviously the batteries are dead, so I'm going to open it up and show you what's in here. Actually, it says right here 3 AA batteries included, so that's cool, because I got AA batteries, but I thought maybe it would be like some kind of watch battery, proprietary battery. You know what this is, right? This is a flashlight. It's got a magnet on the back and a hook. And they basically give them away at Harbor Freight Tools. Every time you purchase something, you get something for free there, basically, or deeply discounted. So I had my Harbor Freight Tools addiction when they first opened it up here. I couldn't. I basically went out like it was crazy, like every day, 3 days a week sometimes. Broke it down to like 2 or 3 days a week. And that was years ago. That was, before all this staying inside stuff. So take that off. Boy, that's really got some stickiness to it. Yep. So there you go. So if you your batteries run out, you get 3 AAA batteries. So I don't have to throw this whole thing away. I can just keep it and yeah, ready to rock and roll. All right, great. So just want to let you guys know that that's a salvageable piece of equipment, and you don't have to throw it away if you want to replace the batteries. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Do something nice for somebody and don't get caught. Take care. All right, so I replaced the batteries in this guy. So you can see here, plate works. Then I looked at it and I thought, you know what, there's a couple more screws in here. I took one of them out, you can see. And I thought, well, let's break this down even further. Let's see if I can get all 4 of these screws out. See what else is in here. See what makes this tick. And this one is not coming out as easily as the first one. It does have a magnetic tip though, see? So that helps. It's just the right size for getting in there. Actually, I think I got this one at Harbor Freight as well. So cool. Came with a set. Sometimes you get those for free too. Free screwdriver set. I think I gave one to every single person in my family. I got so many of them. Alright. So now we're gonna Alright, so there's the wiring. So here you can see the plastic window, the reflector, the LED strip, the wires soldered in there, and the switch. Oh, that's the light assembly there. Yeah. Oh, it is the switch. There you go, there's your switch. So that's basically it. Battery, back of the battery case is here. So positive, negatives lead to the lights. Alright, so that's what's inside of your basic freebie LED Harbor Freight Tools utility light. So if this video helped you, go ahead and hit a like and see if you can do something nice for somebody today without getting caught. Have a great day, folks.